Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we apply a transition effect to a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now to apply these transitions in Microsoft PowerPoint, we have a separate tab for that. So if you click on these transitions, we have a list of transition effect, but this is not done. When you click on this arrow, you have a bunch of different types of transitions. So this is subtitles, this is exciting, and this is dynamic content. So these three categories are basically defined by this Microsoft. Okay, so these are the level of transitions. So it depends upon your taste and according to your demand, you can apply that. Now to apply that, usually we just come to that slide. So for now, I'm just having one slide. So whenever we're having like a list of slides, just click on the list and you'll apply the transition on that. Okay, so for example, I want to apply the slide, the transition in this slide. So I'll keep my cursor in this slide, select the slide, and then apply the transitions like this. Now here you can set the some changes in the slides. You can set the sounds of the slides. This is the sounds. Basically there's a list of sounds which comes pre-installed with this PowerPoint. You can select the sound, or you can increase or decrease the durations. So if you see, this is a preview button, and when I play this transition in this 1 second of duration, so this comes with a sound and the duration of 1 second. But if I increase this duration and if I again play that, so the sound remains the same, but the durations, it's kind of little delayed. So this is the work of duration. Now what is this apply to all? This apply to all is basically if you have a list of different slides. For now I'm just having one slide, but if I'm having, let's suppose, 50 slides and I don't want to go on each slide and change the effect, the sound and duration, everything. Okay, so that's why we have this apply to all. So if you click on apply to all, so it automatically applies to all the slides of your presentation. Now again, the next option is advanced slides. So advanced slides means let's suppose you are presenting your presentation basically. Okay, and now if you don't want your PowerPoint to automatically change the slide, you want that changing in your hand. So this is the option. You can select that, and this is unselect that and just check that. So this by clicking here, only if you click your mouse in the screen, then only it will change. And this is the delay. If you want to increase or decrease, then it is the basically the delay in between your two slides. Okay, so everything is in this transitions tab. So this way guys, you can apply the transitions effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and please subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.